let's make chocolate sablé. Today's recipe from my book. I have already mixed flour and baking powder, icing sugar and salt, cacao. Mixing, and then I added cold butter. I knit in 4 similar pieces. Then I will put it in the freezer for 20-30 minutes. This is yolk. I roll the dough in sugar. I will cut it for 1 centimeter, so 1.5, and then baking for 15 minutes, 160 degrees. It's so good, really.